What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Thursday. Getting close to the New Year's. Today's video is going to be about a whole lot of things. First thing first, I hope you guys are having a great Thursday afternoon, I guess. And I just got back from the gym. Bro, had to put in some work, man. Extremely tired. Definitely keep in mind, man, I know this is a truck channel. Car, truck, whatever channel and stuff like that. But one thing I want to say, man, we all in life go through things. You're going to have problems daily, every day. So, it's like, that's a part of life. It's a part of life. You just got to be able to figure out a way and get those problems solved. Don't let it get to you, bring you down, distract you from becoming a better version of yourself. One of the reasons why I work out, I used to work out at least 6-7 times a week, but due to busy schedule, I'm able to I'm able to slim down my days to just 4 days a week. You definitely want to be able to at least work out, try to do something productive. You don't have to, when I mean workout, you don't have to lift weights, you don't have to do anything crazy or scream, but just try to be active and productive. With me personally, I lift weights. That's a way of me going through my healing process, trying to keep my mind right. That's what really keep me focused. That's why I'm really trying to reach this out to whoever watching this or whatever you dealing with something. Just try the answer to your problems. Well, the beginning of the one thing that's going to help you cope with your problems or solve most of your problems is don't go out smoking, don't go out drinking. Just go work out. When you start doing it for quite some time, I've been doing this for a couple years. I used to play sports, so it's something that really lies inside of me. I have to work out or else my body don't feel right. But just always make sure you get that time in, man. Try to work out, do something productive. That is keep you going. But so currently I have an issue with, as you guys know, couple videos ago, I had installed my new mirror, and I never knew. Obviously I knew, but I thought it was gonna be, I didn't really see it as being an issue. So those mirrors are not OEM, but they are the same exact ones, but it just have missing like a few things that's on the inside. So I installed that on my truck, and there's a sensor that's on the OEM one that did not come with the original, not the original, but the one that I order, it don't come with it. So I never plugged in a sensor. It's in my door. It's not really like a big deal to me. But long story short, I was supposed to get my inspection done. My check engine light came on. I'm wondering, like, what could this possibly be? So I scanned the code, came up, tell me it's I think it's a temperature sensor for these Ram trucks. They have sensor in the mirrors and stuff. So I was like, okay, it makes sense now. So due to that, that has an effect on apparently all of that connects somehow, because since that happened, since my check engine light came on, my temperature sensor hasn't been working. My I think the eco system that's on here for that helps you save on gas doesn't show up on the screen no more, since obviously I realized since that hasn't been plugged in, and then my check engine light is on. So I'm getting shitty gas mileage. I wouldn't say shitty, but like 13, 12, around there. I came from 18, 19, around there. Now I'm at like 12, 13, so which is not good, but it's an easy fix. So hopefully today I should be going to the shop, getting that, because I ordered the parts supposed to be in, getting that fixed, and then also my check engine light should be able to go off. And then long story short, it's been a while. I gotta get my inspection done. Yes, finally able to get it done because of some reasons, but I could have been got it done though. But yeah, so I'm about to go to the car wash, just clean the inside of my car, and then pretty much, yeah, we'll go from there. This thing is filthy. Look at all that salt. It's a whole lot of salt. All right, y'all, just give my truck a nice, quick little rinse and soap and rinse off pretty much because I had a lot of salt on there. But man, I tell y'all, this car wash I'm at right now is extremely packed right now. It's not really cold today. Today's like a 37, 39. Not freezing outside, but I had to come clean my car, the inside, do a quick little cleaning on the inside and then outside. But good news, I got some, because I mentioned my floor mats that I have in this truck is like the carpet con, that when I tell you guys, man, like this attracts so much dirt to the point where I recently cleaned my car, the inside, a few days ago. So I'm back here at the car wash trying to clean the inside again. Just got done cleaning the inside again, man, and then had to clean the outside. So I got some floor mats coming in from Last Fit that I ordered. Should be here by Saturday, so I'm probably do a quick load. I'm gonna show you guys pretty much what it is, and it ain't gonna be nothing special, but I'm just be able to show you guys the parts that I got coming in. But I got 4 more days, guys. Excited. Got my coilover and my lowering springs in the back. It's underneath the seat. I don't know if you guys can see, but got that. In 4 more days, I should be getting that installed, and kind of excited. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, man, because it's gonna make a huge difference on this truck. Like a completely different truck. It's gonna look like a completely different truck. But right now I'm on my way to the garage, about to go get my inspection and then my check engine light situated. So I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. So about to take this off, put in the new sensor. The sensor is underneath right here, pretty much. Alright, so boys and girls, I personally, man, like, ran across some issue again. So I was supposed to get my inspection done, get my check engine light turned off first before I get my inspection done. So as you guys may know or may not know, like these trucks, like the Ram, they have like obviously the OEM mirror from Dodge has like the heated stuff, all that stuff on there, like the temperature sensor thing on there. So in order for me to be able to get my inspection done, my engine light have to be off. And the new mirrors that I ordered from I think somewhere online, but it was like, I think I paid $70. For some reason, it's just like they never came wired up like the OEM ones that has a wire in there for like the sensor you can be able to plug in. So now I have an issue on my hand where I actually wasted pretty much $75. Now I gotta buy an actual OEM one, or I'm gonna have to go the route where I gotta take everything out, get it wired up, order parts and all that stuff. So that's the route I'm trying to avoid, doing all that extra stuff. So I'm like, you know what, F it. I can just get a used one from somewhere. And I actually was able to find a guy on Facebook Marketplace that it's kind of funny because he has the same truck, and it's the driver's side windshield that needs to be replaced. So now I'm gonna have to pick it up and then swap them out, install. I'm obviously, first thing first, I'm gonna have to make sure it's the right wire, then swap it out, and then should be able to work. But that's the plan for now. That's the plan. It is a up and down day, but you know, that's how it is when you that's how life be sometimes. But I'm not here to get mad about anything. But now I'm at AutoZone trying to get this part that I had sitting. I'll show you guys. I think I showed you guys last time. So the license plates, I think lights, something like that. So I'm about to get those installed. Very easy, simple to do. Get it installed and then be on my way. But man, it's always some ish. But it's kind of weird. I find it kind of weird that Dodge would be the one to really do all of this extra ish. Like, you unplug a freaking wire and stuff, and your check engine light come on from, who would have thought, pretty much your mirror. Like, who would have really thought, damn, if I unplug my mirror, this and that, that's gonna trigger a code on my check engine light. But you know, at the end of the day, it's not a big deal for me. It's an easy fix, but it's just that it's like it's a waiting game pretty much. So yeah, I'm about to go into AutoZone, grab myself a flathead. I'll be right back. Damn, I can't feel my hands. Freezing outside. Oh, so this is the new one. About to put that in. All right, so one side's on. For some reason, this side's not on. About to unplug it and plug it back in. So this side's on. That side's not on. Both sides is on. There you go. All right, y'all, so I just got done putting in my new license plates, lights. Man, I'll tell you one thing, man. If you're gonna do that ish, just know that I'm really kind of like, I had a up and down day. So coming here thinking that was gonna be like, take me probably like 5 to 10 minutes. Man, that ish took me at least like 45 minutes to do. The worst invention of Dodge ever. It's like a clip behind the light that you got to pull out, and then when you pull it out, putting it back in, you got to be able to find like the spot. It's kind of like in a spot where it's like it shouldn't be, so it's kind of very difficult for you to be able to get it on. But I was able to get it on. My hands right now is like freezing, super cold outside now. I was just at the point where I was gonna say F it, but I was like, you know what, I got to get this done. And somehow I just fought my way, was able to put it on there. But I would not recommend that you do this. If you're gonna do this, just know you're gonna take some time fighting to put that little clip back in. And that's the issue that really beat me the F up, because like, it's on there, but it takes a lot of like effort pretty much. But today's video is kind of like an up and down day for me, but I guess I end the video here. I say that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.